Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2017 Chrysler 300S. I'm going to do a quick video walk around tour, show you this vehicle, and if you have any questions or you're interested in learning more about it, you can just reach out to us on our website, feldmannimports.com. Happy to set up a test drive or answer any questions that you may have. So this comes in a granite crystal metallic exterior, and we have this black leather interior here. This vehicle does have Beats speakers throughout. You'll find those speakers throughout the vehicle, as well as a subwoofer in the trunk. Mileage currently at 76,585. We have a push-button ignition. Do have heated seats, both driver and passenger. So here you can see climate controls here. This is a touchscreen here, so easy to access different functions. Here you've got radio and backup camera. Now, in addition to the climate controls you have here within the display, you also have easy access climate controls down here, as well as some different functions such as sport mode, muting the music and whatnot. Down below that you have this shifter here. It's a turn dial style. Cup holder, center console storage. Alright. Go ahead and hop out, show you the rear seats next. And quick peek back up front. Coming around to the back, we have our Chrysler all-wheel drive 300S badging. You've got your backup camera right here, and then the button to open the trunk right there. No trunk, and then there is that subwoofer I was mentioning earlier. Now, if you're interested in getting additional information about this 2017 Chrysler 300S, just reach out to us on our website, feldmannimports.com.